Speak. Check out my hypothesis, y'all ain't right, y'all the opposite. I'm a don that honors all of his hate and his compliments. It's obvious that y'all about as fly as an ostrich is. Y'all cheaper than the boxes that Trojan dropping his condoms in. I'ma be all over the bread just like condiments. It's common sense that I be rocking and constantly bombing shit. I'm dominant when it comes to this rhyming shit. I swear to God my flow is so sick and these antioxidants. I'm not tolerant of most of these artists that seem prominent. I'm a monster, the energy drink should wanna sponsor this. This is not a diss, but if it was, would you respond to it? I doubt it, cause I'm the hottest kid that's spitting on the continent. Maybe on this planet, unmasked amount of confidence. All I do is write, yeah, I'm a diabolic novelist. Like Mount Rushmore, the watch has got a lot of rocks in it. And cash knots is taller than the Washington Monument. Every song I demolish it, making it hard to breathe like I'm stopping your oxygen. The motto is kick rocks if I am not the one you rockin' with. I'm in his thoughts and it ain't no stopping this apocalypse. Now I see what the problem is.
Does anyone have a problem with my sinister flow? I got this twisted sick feeling that I'm fixing to blow. I stick my dick in the hole and then when I'm finished I go. You feeling this already? We still got 3 minutes to go.
Ain't it amazing, baby, the way he spits all of this crazy shit? Dissing him can maybe be a bit dangerous. Put me back in the insane asylum, I'm going insane again. I'm in a spaceship with a PlayStation gaming with aliens. Or at least that's what I'm thinking, life is what you make of it. So I'ma stop taking it for granted and stop wasting it. Flow is so demonic, but that don't mean I'm a Satanist. I'ma get on some Jason shit, lock the game in the basement. Cause you lames, we ain't playing with me and Razor be slaying shit. Prodigies for life and we ain't like these other basic kids. You fakers and non-believers, I call the haters atheists. My flow so raw, I can murk them in 2 languages.
Io uccido bate, requiescate in pace. Prendo fermato perce e il mio flusso peccante. Prodigi sono lirico soldate. Così faremo brillare come un diamante.
I'm the Italian beat assassin. Look at all the beats I'm thrashing, teens I'm bashing. Keep on rapping about having your heater blasting. Am I a beast? Are you serious? Why are you even asking? I make it hard to breathe like Fabulous, yeah, I leave them gasping. I'm hash twisting, rapping and smashing bad bitches. I don't mess with gats cause that is just bad business. How could one kid possess such finesse and effortlessness? Unless of course this is the best kid that ever did this. This kid's vicious, what I'm spitting is sick wicked. I kick ballistic shit until my limbs get twisted. Rhymes tighter than the spandex fits on a fit gymnast. In this district, loyal bitches are fictitious. I'm not contagious but be realistic, I'm the sickest. Best doctors on the planet couldn't find a cure for this shit. I'm so gifted and this is my vision. Mansion living while swimming in bad women. A new era of teenage rap has risen. Lyrical Tommy gun, please don't make me slap my clipping. And nah homeboy, you don't really have to listen, but clashing with me is a bad decision, like flashing your ass in prison. I wanna sit back, relax, and just stack a million, but I might get a life sentence for all these tracks I'm killing. Wonder why at the funeral all the caskets missing. I hijacked the hearse so I can bring them back to living, so I can kill them all over, homie. I'm just that ill. You bust black still, drug raps and chrome hubcaps is what you dumb cats feel. I'm screaming fuck that still. You don't bust gats or push packs, you just act real. Ain't nobody messing with me. Am I the best? Definitely. I'm getting checks for just wrecking these beats, putting tone deaf rappers the rest effortlessly, leaving producers masterpieces straight resting in peace. The pen's mightier than a sword. I'm bringing death with what I write, cause this pen is a weapon to me. A bad bitch with a pleasant physique is pleasuring me, smoking the blunt, and this ain't even the best of my week. Ha, I feel bad for your team. If your chick bad, need pads for her knees. I polish railroads on tracks, I'm sure clean. I came young, started recording slaps at 13. I'm a boss soon, I'll give your asses floor seats. Why is me blowing up something you haven't foreseen? I slap with these tracks, I'm a savage or a beast. Notebooks come with 180, they should've added more sheets so that I can keep... What the fuck? It's over? Yo, SK, you should've added more beat. Yeah.